Healthy recipe: roasted butternut squash soup with coconut and ginger. You can check the ingredients in the description. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cubed butternut squash on a baking tray, drizzle with coconut oil, and sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. Roast the squash in the preheated oven for about 25–30 minutes, or until tender and golden brown. Meanwhile, in a large pot, heat coconut oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger, and cook for another minute until fragrant. Add the roasted butternut squash to the pot, along with the coconut milk and vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10–15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Remove the pot from the heat and use an immersion blender or countertop blender to puree the soup until smooth and creamy. If necessary, reheat the soup before serving. Serve the hot soup garnished with fresh chopped cilantro, if desired. Enjoy this comforting and delicious roasted butternut squash soup with coconut and ginger. This soup is perfect for enjoying on a chilly autumn or winter evening. The coconut and ginger add an exotic and delightful flavor, while the roasted butternut squash provides natural sweetness and creaminess. Enjoy! For more healthy recipes, follow us.